Does this remind you of anything in particular? Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Haha. On to sewing on the welt. So you place the welt on the edge like that, if you don't know already. Let's sew some pieces together. So, lining up my notches for center, that's where we start. Start in the middle and work our way out. Next is the rear skirt. I'm going to go ahead and find the center here. Same as always, start in the middle and work your way out. Flip it over, trim your threads, start from the center, and what? That's right, Billy. Work from the center all the way out. Lock your stitch. Lastly, Always trim your threads. So lastly, I think all I have to do is just sew on this bottom listing here. This is what the seat cover gets attached to with the hog rings. Always trim your threads. It's a good habit. Well, there we go. So let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, we're getting ready to put this cover back on. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure and find out where our center is, because we don't want to just assume that we know where center is. So we're actually going to take a tape measure, measure it there. Now we know where center is. We'll do the same on the cover. Cover is easier because we know we already marked center on here before. So we'll anchor down this back part here first. I measured and found our center right here, marked it. And also I know where the center is here on the cover, because we got the notch. I'll mark it anyway. Now we're gonna start putting it all together. Okay, we'll go ahead and catch our front corners first. So remember to set this front corner where it belongs. Put your hand on the inside there, holding it down, and then pull this down. That way you end up with a really nice corner. Flip it over. Put one hog ring in the corner. Now we got our front corners set. We'll do the same with the rear corners. Now we can start hog ringing all the way around. So I'm not going to bore you guys with that. So I'll come back soon. Now for technique number 7032. Okay, sometimes when you're going to be tight like this and you're struggling with this, trying to get it to stretch to put the hog ring on, this is what I use right here. I take one of these clamps and I smash it down Actually, the more you smash it down, the easier it's going to be for you to put this hog rings on. So as you can see, this is helping me a lot. I guess you guys don't know what I'm thinking, huh? Because I'm not speaking. So anyway, we are now putting on the finishing touches. Finish hog ringing this rear skirt. Well, that about does it, my friends, for this back seat bottom cushion. So everything went pretty well, and we went from this to this. So if you like what you saw, do me a favor and hit that like button, and do me that huge favor and subscribe to my channel. I do something different here in the shop every day, so there's going to be plenty of more videos in the future. And feel free to give a comment. Until next time, we'll see ya.